Rakhe ka district tuberculosis officer Bhoi district ya ka Sngi world tuberculosis kumshibenta ban panchayat peba halor kapang panyada na une uknyang jingpang TB hakaju ko por ru ban sumar bat ban yo jingkoi na kanega jingpang hakane ka jing Rakhe lawan ban sakhi da Deputy Commissioner Bhoi district kum kongsan u Dr. P Khanari DMHO Bhoi district kum sembut kongsan ki officer na kitna sarkar ki ba pher kinong trai asha kinokna school bat kinong hikai hakane ka Sngi balapan long ya ka jing yalang layo ru ban ai khusnam ya kinong job jong ki competition ki ba pher layo ru ban simbenta lang hakaba pule ya ka pledge ban sumar TV padru ya ka signature campaign habakren hakane ka jing yalang u Deputy Commissioner Bhoi district uloong ba banyada na uneu knyang jingpang nidon kam banya trelang pat ban sumar yalade dakaba bam ya ki jingbam ki batei met ban lekhuj bat ban pha sumar bat let kundu ya ki doctor lada phidon ya ki dakishin jong ka jingstom TB.
Today we are celebrating one TB day here, and the theme of today's program is Yes, We Can End It. The government of India has also launched a program Pradhan Mantri TB Bharat Abhiyan with an aim to eliminate the tuberculosis by 2025, which is 5 years ahead of the global target of elimination of TB. So today when we are celebrating, because of this day, when the bacterium for tuberculosis was identified, and finally we could have a cure. But however, all this requires a lot of participation from the community, from all the members of the society, for elimination of the whole this menace of tuberculosis. Beginning with this, I would like to welcome our DMHO, additional DMHO, our additional SP, our DACO, all the ASHA workers, the medical officers that are here present here today, and I would like to appreciate and sincerely express my gratitude to the Diksha Patra donors, Diksha Mitras, and the development partners, Piramal Swasthya, Jotaigo, ICMR, and all the members of NGOs who have been working tirelessly in elimination of the TB and realizing this goal of elimination of tuberculosis. So with this, I would like to conclude, and thank you everyone for your support, for your participation in the program, and by continuing with this, we will be able to eliminate from not just from the Bhoi district, but from the whole of Meghalaya and India also. Thank you so much.
Dr. P Khanari DMHO Bhoi district ulong bahakipor kibalik no nilayo ban yakhun persya ya khanyang jingpang COVID-19 lengba ka jingtrish trailang hakaba ki kanhun trais monsung bah ki borsnong ki trailang bat ngiyo ya ka jingjom kumjuru hakane ga kanti tongin ya trailang bat rat dingkhong ya kane ga jingpang TB.
Some are wearing the mask, but not everyone. We are free because while we could overcome COVID-19 because of teamwork from all the society, the community, the individuals, those who are infected or those who are not, to stay away, to follow the protocols, and that's how the success rate was very short and we could make it. I hope to even tuberculosis was since then, but now that we have come to a goal to achieve, I think we can all, if we give our hands together, we can be successfully, and again this will be the sample also to the other countries. I just would like to add here, actually the history, the sign, the symptoms, and the diagnosis and the treatment have already been highlighted. I would like just to point out here how much the teamwork of Bhoi district had achieved, had tried to eradicate tuberculosis from the Bhoi district. We have around, we take 4 samples for diagnosis purpose, The target was around 5 lakhs. I won't give you the exact figure because there's no point. 5 lakhs 97,000. The achievement was 5 lakhs 54,000 at a percentage of 93%. And the TB presumptive testing, the target per 1500 per lakh was 4,950 and the achievement was 4,496. Almost achieved to the nearing the figure. The tuberculosis notification was targeted for 420 and the achievement was 406. And the success treatment in patient treated in 2021, the target was 378 and the achievement was 321. So we are almost near the target rate and the achievement. That also, these are all were done in a very short span of time. As the facilities and the success stories we have, where the tuberculosis diagnostic in the district, we have the Sngi block, in Bhoi block, in Umling block, in Jiran block, and also in our district hospital, like the Superintendent had mentioned about TrueNat and CBNat, which is going to be procured. And all this work, this success would not come up if especially from the hard working of the Ashas, the Ranwadis, and especially those people where the team has started to apply for the award of subnational certification. During that short span of time, Mr. Funny Jones, who's been working hard with his team, who's on contract basis, they have really tried to survey and come out with a good result. And for the students,